Dubai Frame, I'm here to watch the spectacular fireworks and welcome the new year in style. Wishing everyone joy, success, and endless blessings this year. Welcome 2025. What an iconic way to greet the new year. Standing at the crossroads of past and future, the Dubai Frame perfectly symbolizes stepping into a new era while cherishing the journey so far. May this year be as spectacular and inspiring as the breathtaking views from where you stand. Here's to unforgettable moments, endless success, and boundless joy in 2025. Enjoy us here in Dubai. Comma. I'm here with my friend Marisol. Celebrate the New Year's Eve here at the Frame. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for update my next vlog. Be blessed, every one of us. Thank you. See you on my next vlog. Happy New Year, everyone! This is my New Year's Eve story. Welcome 2025. From Bets TV, wishing you a happy and joyful new year. From the bottom of my heart. Thank you for the support, love, and all your kindness. Bless us more. Happy New Year! Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next vlog. Please subscribe.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year!